Hey guys, Stock Sniper Mike back again with the 2-minute drill. Here to give you guys 2 minutes of one crazy week of trading. July trading is officially over. And what a month for the snipers. We racked in another $5,000 plus month in the books. We couldn't beat the record-breaking last 2 months, but 5,000 plus we will take. When we first started, we started at $500. So to see months making $5,000 or more is amazing to us, shocking honestly in our eyes, and we can't wait for the next person to do the same. And that's why we do this and everything else we do. And we have some very exciting news coming out in 2 weeks, so be ready for it. But to dive into trading, it was a slower week compared to the weeks before in the month of July. The Dow Jones did what it normally does and pretty much leveled out for the week. After all the stress and all the movement that happened in the market this week, the Dow opened the week at 26,447 and closed the week at 26,428, only changing a total of 19 points over the full week. Now you're gonna tell me that's worth the stress? No. And that's why we do what we do, to help people consistently profit in the market. And once again, we kept the streak going. The hot green streak continued, and we are now on our 27th straight green week since this whole coronavirus started. Yes, you heard it correctly. 27 straight green weeks for the snipers. This week wasn't the biggest and was a slower week, but we still were able to go 3 for 4, winning 75% of the time and making $600 on the week for another green week on the board to end the month of July. Now let's dive in and I'm going to show you how we did it. This week was a slower week, and on slow weeks you always want to protect the boat. We really only had one nice win for the week and the rest of the plays were scratches, but 2 of the scratches were green and the other one was red, sticking to the #1 rule and cutting our losses when we knew it wasn't going our way. So let's dive in. The first stock we're going to go over is a stock we played before off a very similar pattern. This was an OTC sub-penny stock breaking multi-month high. This is OTC sub-penny stock, TTCM, and we hawked it down on Friday afternoon. We liked the way that the stock broke past the penny. And yes, I'm saying this correctly. It was a sub-penny that broke past the penny. And that's a key spot in the penny stock world, just like when a penny stock breaks that dollar spot. On Friday afternoon, the OTC sub-penny stock was able to break past that key penny spot and break multi-month highs, topping out at 1-1. We liked that spot, but we wanted to make sure it could hold the penny to close out the day. So we put it on our Friday Power Hour Sniper Scope, and we eyed it down, closing out the week. And since it held that penny spot, we decided to buy the stock at 0.103 with only 15 minutes remaining in the day, looking for it to hold that penny and possibly gap up and push past the 1-1 multi-month high. And it held that penny spot going into close, but it didn't really move from our 103 spot as we went overnight without a cushion, looking for the Money Monday bag. And on Money Monday, we got what we were looking for. We got the gap up in TTCM. The stock gapped up past that penny spot after it was able to hold it on Friday and opened up at 1.2, 20% higher than the close on Friday. With the 20% bag, we were more than happy, so we put the sell limit in right at the bell. We were able to get out at a great spot at 119, taking the OTC sub penny to a penny from 103 all the way to 199 highs on the day, making 15% plus on our money and $450 plus, and setting ourselves up for success in another green week. And luckily we did, because the rest of the week was slow. And when the market is slow, you don't have to force anything. We always say no position is better than a forced one. One of the best things about the stock market is you're not forced to be in any stock at any time. As a sniper, we like to hold all cash. So if something crazy happens, you are still sitting on the sideline waiting for the next opportunity. Always remember, patience makes profit in this game. And with the slower week that was ahead, we tried 3 more different stocks, and all 3 of them didn't quite work out the way that we wanted, so we got out with small losses or small wins. One of them for $100 and one for $80. And the next one, our only loss on the week, actually ended up going and breaking out multi-month highs like we thought, but it was a slow cannabis mover. CurlF, C-U-R-L-F. Since we didn't have the best spot, we cut our losses instantly the next day. The stock ended up continuing, but it's always important to stick to the #1 rule of cutting your losses. It's the best way to avoid emotions and always stick to the plan in this game. And even though CurlF still ended up breaking multi-month highs, we weren't affected as we kept going and kept looking for the next play, because there's 16,000 plus stocks out there and there will always be another opportunity. And we were handed that opportunity late Friday afternoon, just like TTCM. And that was with OTC cannabis stock RVVTF, as it created first green day with coronavirus phase 3 news. We liked the first green day was creating, and that it was holding 26 VWAP daily support closing out the day. So we took it at 259, looking for a gap up the next day / morning push. And the morning push actually happened and started on Friday afternoon, and we got a great push into the close, closing all the way at 29 cents, now up 15% plus going into Money Monday and setting ourselves up once again for a Money Monday bag. And that's how you keep the consistency and the green weeks going. So I'll meet you back here same time next week to see if we can make it for our 28th straight green week and to get the gap up in OTC penny stock RVVTF. If you don't follow us on social media, you're missing out. Make sure to check us out on all social media platforms. We got daily content coming out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and StockTwit. Also, if you do not follow us on Profitly, make sure to check us out on Profitly. You have all of our stats. You can see our whole journey from where we started at $500, now crossing 118,000 plus. Check us out under Stock Snipers. We are fully transparent, and we believe you can be the next one to do it. Check us out on Profitly under the Stock Snipers. Also, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, you're missing out as well. Subscribe below. Click that subscribe button. I come out with this video once a week reviewing our week of trading. Stock Sniper Nick comes out with a weekly watch list video every Tuesday night, going over our watch list for the night. And Stock Sniper Alex comes out with a daily tip that'll help you every day in the stock market. And last but not least, if you are not a part of the team, you need to be a part of this team. We're making money, tagging bags every day. We have skill levels from beginner all the way to advanced traders. Check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com. We got a chat room that we post our buy and sell alerts in every day. We come out with daily watch lists. We have a weekly webinar and tons of trade reviews on there. And I can't even say the last thing because we have something very special coming out this month. So make sure to sign up and don't miss out. The prices are going to be going up once this drops. Hope to see you on the team soon. Hope to see you in the chat soon. And if not, hope to see you back here same time next week. Alright guys, another great trading week in the books. See you here next week. Stock Sniper Mike, out. Peace.